Ngayong araw ay pag-aaralan natin ang tungkol sa algebraic equation, multiplying terms. So, in this lesson, meron tayong learning outcomes. Ito ay simplify algebraic equation involving multiplication. In algebra, the multiplication sign is omitted and numbers are placed in front of letters. So, for example, 3 times E is equal to 3E. So, paano siya naging 3E? So, atin lamang i-multiply yung 3 at saka E. 3 times E, and that will become 3E. So, another example is E times B. E times B, EB. So, another example, P times Q times R is equal to PQR. Okay, 2A times 4B. 2A times 4B, 2 times E times 4 times B. 2 times 4 times E times B is equal to 8B. Okay, first we have to multiply the numbers. Next is multiply the variables. So, unahin muna natin ang i-multiply ay yung mga numbers. Pagkatapos ay variables. So, first we get to multiply 2 times 4. Okay, 2 times E. Okay, 2. So, paano nakuha yung 2E? 2 times E. And, paano naman nakuha yung 4B? 4 times B. Okay. Pagkatapos ay, paano naman nakuha yung 8B? 2 times 4. So, paano naman nakuha yung EB? E times B. So, ngayon, kaya siya naging 8B kasi 2 times 4, 8 times E times B is equal to 8B. So, that is the answer for 2E times 4B. So, ang sunod na example naman ay E times E. E times E, and that is A squared. E squared. Okay. Ang sunod na example ay E times E times E. Kaya nakuha yung E cubes ay dahil pinag-multiply siya sa tatlo. E times E times E. Tatlo daw na E. Okay. So, kaya ganon. Okay. Okay. Kayo naman mag-solve. Okay. You have to practice questions. Simplify the following using algebraic equation. Okay, number 1. 4 times E. Paano daw makukuha yung 4 times E? Ano daw yung sagot? Okay, check natin mamaya. Number 2, B times C. Number 3, 5c times 3. Number 4, 5d times 2e. Number 5, f times g times h. Okay. You have 10 minutes to answer. Okay, let's check your answer. Okay, number 1. 4 times e is equal to 4e. Pinagdikit lang yung 4 at saka e. Ganun lang siya ka-basic. Number 2, b times c. That is bc. 5c times 3. Okay, una nato na i-multiply ay 5 times 3. 5 times 3, that is 15. So, copy the variable. The variable is c. That is 15c. Number 4, 5d times 2e. First, we get to multiply to the number. The number first. Okay. 5 times 2. 5 times 2, 10. And then, copy the variable. 10 times d times e. de. So, 5 times 2, 10 de. 5d times 2e, that is 10 de. Number 5, 5 times g times h. FGH. Okay, sunod, x. Okay, I times I times I. That is I cube.